Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Work of NVK. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a deep Kajal eye look. So let's start. I am making base with a nude shade. Apply any Kajal. Just apply a stroke, you don't need to be perfect. Make a perfect line with the brush. With the brush, it will easy to make a perfect line of Kajal. Take some more Kajal on the brush. I am making a very small wing. And applying the leftover Kajal on my lash line.
About to do a bit with you info. Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, hey. Love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, hey. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time.
Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow and dab on the Kajal. With eyeshadow, the Kajal will not get smudged and it will look darker. Now I'm taking the small brush and blending the Kajal. Take brown eyeshadow.
Touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's bento. Hit my heart beating, what's the tempo? Ain't the game running through your tempo.
And apply on a Kajal line.
About to do a bit with you info. Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, hey. Love you like
And this is how I create bold Kajal eye.
Love it when you smile, show them dimples.
Rather applying normal stroke of Kajal. Try this.